Hey guys, welcome to my channel. My name's Ari and today I'm going to be doing my acrylics. Super trifling though. I have all my knowledge from watching a professional on YouTube called Nail Career Education. I love her, Suzie. I can't get enough of her. Suzie, if you ever see this one day, don't get mad at me. I am not blaming any of this on you. I know how ghetto this is, but it works for me and it saves money. So shout out to you. If you guys are interested, keep on watching. We're just gonna do a little chit chat. It's not really gonna be about my nails because I'm not a professional, so why would I like be super detailed about my nails? But I'm gonna show you guys me doing my nails. So yeah, what do people say? Subscribe, like the video, leave a comment if you want, talk to a girl, and yeah, stay tuned. I have my these are like acrylic tips from Amazon. You will soon realize that I get a lot from Amazon, but these ones are clear and they have like this little well. I don't have an actual brush because I don't know how to properly do my nails, so I end up messing up every single brush that I use, like always. So I just have a random paintbrush because I have a bunch of paintbrushes laying around, so I'm kind of just using them until I need another brush. I have my nail primer, Amazon. I have nail prep dehydrator, Amazon. I have these nail polishes. They're called Sexy Mix. Got them from Amazon. Some little charms to put on my nails when I'm done. I'll show you guys the colors later. Of course, I have some nail files from Amazon. I have an electric nail file from Amazon, but the plug is currently MIA, so I'm kind of stuck with being old school right now, which is fine. I can still get the job done. I have these two different powders. I have natural pink and I think just regular pink acrylic. I don't know which one I want to do yet. I typically paint my nails pink, so it really doesn't matter. I love pink. Liquid monomer, this little thing I got from Dollar Tree, and our top coat. So I went ahead and I put the tips on my left hand off camera. I use this nail glue. It's the Kiss brush on nail glue, but I don't recommend it because I knew that when I know it was actually from when I had press-ons, and when I had them, like, this did not do anything. But if you go on Amazon and you get this one, it's one bottle and it's white and it has a purple lid, and that's it. That one's really good. That's the one I usually use, but I don't know where I put it. My nails are damaged if you look at them, but compared to where they were at after years of having acrylics and like never taking a proper break and having them improperly removed by professionals, blah blah blah, I am the professional now. Anyways, I'm probably gonna fast forward through this because I'm pretty slow. Yeah, so I'm gonna go back to the music.
Why you look so fine, find it hard to control myself. She says, suck, I seen you looking so fly. She find it hard to control herself. And she talking like she want it now, walking like she talking now.
Next, I am going to prime my nails. Oh, just a fun fact, I think altogether, I definitely spend less than $200 on like everything, like e-file, gel polish, like all my materials, brush, blah blah blah, like everything was, I'd probably say like, I'd give it $150, but it was, I'm sure you could like do way less than that. I literally just cut it. I do not use these paintbrushes anymore, and I'm just going through them so I don't have to buy any more brushes because I literally use a brush every time I give myself a set. Which powder do I want to use? I think I'm just gonna hold on to my other powders and use my pink one because I know I'm gonna do pink nails. The thing about using a brush that isn't meant for this is that it really won't fuck with you. Like, you gotta fuck with it heavy. I feel like I'm choking because you guys are watching. I'm hella mad. I'm gonna edit this shit out because I swear I don't be fumbling like this. Okay. That's too much for my pinky.
Okay. Like she talking now. Then she bent it over, told me passion can't be walked around.
Okay. Next nail.
Just call me crazy. All this kissing.
Because when I tell you my first set was fucking tragic, like, first of all, I really thought I was a shit for some reason, and so I did freeforms. Took fucking forever, first of all. Second of all, they were fucking blocks. Like, they were so thick. It was actually ridiculous. It was actually, like, embarrassing. Like, I can't believe I let myself think that was cool enough to walk around with. But it's kind of also at the point where it's like, I don't know, I feel like with me, it's like, they're my fucking nails. And I fucking did them, so I'm gonna rock the hell out of this shit, period, love. I feel like it's just a little too thin at the end. This one's like kind of Frankenstein-y, but hey. The end product is what matters. After you file all this away, all the ugly away, it'll be cute.
She find it hard to control herself, and she talking like she want it now, walking like she talking.
I feel like a major thing that I didn't realize about doing my own nails, because you know it's all about saving your own money, right? Is that it's like, you really gotta ask yourself, do I have time for this shit? Like, and is the time that I'm spending on it worth it? Or am I wasting valuable time? See, I did the same shit again. I don't learn. I don't learn. Shit. Oh, how did I don't even know how I finished the last one, so can't even be mad at this one.
Then she bent it over, told me passion can't be walked around.
Okay, we're done with the powder for now. Now I have to wait for them to dry. Okay, I don't feel like waiting. I'm just gonna, of course, start with the one that I did first. What was I saying? Oh yeah, you gotta ask yourself, is it worth how much time I spend on my own nails? But then it's like, you know, it's kind of cool because you're in control of your nails. You have them done exactly how you want to. And it's like, if something bothers you about your nails, you just gotta deal with it, because shit, at least I did it. At least I'm mad. At least I missed it. Like, I did my best. And, you know, like, next time I will look out for that. I'll improve this time, and you know, blah, blah, blah. But when someone else fucks up your nails and they charge you, fuck that. Be mad as hell. But it's because it's like, I'll say something if you fuck up, but it's like sometimes you just don't notice like a little fuck up until, if you're like me, you're staring at your nails later at home and you're like, what the fuck? I need to turn on my light because this is taking too long to dry. Okay. Now we can finish filing. I think I actually got away with not getting too much under my nails, if anything. I'm only seeing something under this nail. So I can tell that this set is gonna be fire. And the way I let it fall back in the cuticles, whew. I was a little worried. They had me the first half, not gonna lie, because I was fucking up cutting them tips. I thought I was trimming too much. But no, I just like these hoes hella skinny. And I like to use this file. I fucking roughed off what grain it was, dang. But I like using it after I put the acrylic on. And then I like using this one, this 180. It's a bit finer. This one's a little bit rougher. But this just cuts through all the bullshit. You know?
She talking like she want it now, walking like she talking now. Then she bent it over, told me passion can't be walked around, walked around, walked around. I'm all up in your memories now, so shorty, won't you set me down? Or just call me crazy. All this kissing and loving, shorty, gon' be my baby. Every time we get to talking, your passions amaze me. Girl, I love the way you acting, I'm passionate lately. I hope my girl forgive me. All this kissing and loving, shorty.
Okay, so I'm back. I finished buffing, or well, filing my nails to the shape that I like. I just wanted to show the light that I'm gonna use real quick. Guess where it's from? Amazon.
She said, sucker, see you looking so fly. She find it hard to control herself. She talking like she want it now, walking like she talking now. Then she bent it over, told me passion can't be walked around, walked around, walked around. I'm all up in your memory now, so shorty, won't you set me down? Or just call me crazy. All this kissing and loving, shorty, gon' be my baby. Every time we get to talking, your passions amaze me. Girl, I love the way you acting, I'm passionate lately. I hope my girl forgive me. All this kissing and loving, shorty, gon' be my baby. Every time we get to talking, your passions amaze.
Okay, so I finished my nails. They're cute or whatever. I rubbed them off with alcohol and then I washed my hands and put oil on them. They're not like perfect, but like they're like go outable, you feel me? So I'm not too mad. But yeah, if you guys are interested, then you know, subscribe. I got more stuff coming to my channel. So yeah, bye.